Okay, Lane. Okay, so firstly, here's the watch. Please note, again, this loom, the whole dial was, had some water damage. This loom plot went away. I can reloom that if you want. This is all original loom, though. Everything works like a dream. It's really, truly fully serviced. It's really nice. I'm very happy with it. So now, in terms of bracelets, these watches originally came with a bracelet that looked like this. This is a piece of one of the bracelets. It's the only piece I have. So normally it would look like that. Okay, fine. I don't have that specific bracelet. I have a sort of related one that's actually for it's for an LCD model, and it actually looks pretty nice and it fits perfectly. That's personally what I would choose. It's not exactly right, but it's very close to what the original would have looked like. So you let me know about that. Other alternatives I have are all Seiko SQ bracelets. This, oh god, it's missing all the black bits in the middle. This also would have like these black middle sections. That's pretty rough. I wouldn't even consider that. Here's another one though. If you want to make it look a little more, I don't know, a little more, not classy, that's the wrong word, but a little more restrained without having all this two-tone stuff. Just having a pretty tight little bracelet like that. Here's one that's even tighter. This is for, this is a JDM bracelet for an 0533. See, look, it's got the JDM clasp, and it's in really nice condition. But again, it's for an LCD. Or, Seiko loved using this link pattern for these watches. For a lot of these watches at this time, they used these on a lot of them. So I guess you tell me which one you like, and we'll go from there.